Good morning, YouTube followers. Welcome to Las Vegas Boat Harbor and back to Miss Lady Tutu. We are concluding the screen enclosure for the rear of the boat. And it was only 4 pieces. But these side ones we ended up splitting into 2 with the little wing that most Sea Rays have here. And it works out quite well. On a windy day like today, we can just unzip the wing and let some air in without letting a lot of sun in the boat. Again, here in the middle of the desert, the sun is just brutal. And at 12% humidity, it tears everything up. And once I got the screen zipped on in here, it was very comfortable just by blocking the sunny side. So here they are zipped down. And then if we go over to the starboard side, we have the 2 corners here rolled up. Now I made it so the wing can either be rolled up or just left zipped into place. It really is kind of just a little wing piece there to fill in that gap, that transition, and keep that panel straight so that when it rolls up, it's a lot easier to roll up. Just like the gate is its own. And for the folks in the Sailrite group, there's the twist lock roll-up situation where I have the 2 twist locks that are back to back. I ran out of black straps. I'll have to come back with some black straps for Al. But that way it can hang in the roll-up position, but then otherwise they're completely removable. Boy, put them in black, they're hard to see, huh? But that way the straps don't hang in the sun and deteriorate. Because out here it does happen quickly. Here on H dock, I'll give you some idea where H is. There's I right over there with Making Waves, which was also featured in a nice screen enclosure and bimini top. So we're right across the way from Making Waves here on Miss Lady Tutu. But there it is, the conclusion. We'll jump outside the boat here. Might not see much, but we'll kind of see the profile of the enclosure. When I add rear hoops, I try to keep that even with the back of the boat. Another fun project here at Las Vegas Boat Harbor. Let's jump on the lift here. Back up a little. That's about as far back as I can get from it. But you can see with that little wing open, it lets a whole lot of air in the boat. But the screen shields that sun out. It works out very well. So here it is, lakefront property on Lake Mead. If you're interested, I believe, oh look at that, there's another one for sale. Move quick. If you'd like to buy a boat here on Lake Mead and get some lakefront property, move quickly. They sell fast. Thanks for following, folks.